Hey guys, Rafi Consker here, Preferred Plumbing. Shooting this video from my car today. It was a really hectic day, super busy day. A lot going on. Hard to manage, hard to keep on top of things. Some days are more difficult than others, and it's okay. You know what? It is what it is. One of our technicians has went for some additional training and is not around, and we are super busy. Which makes sense. Everybody's seeing what it's like to have a professional service company work for you, and they want in on it, and that's okay. We're happy. We're also getting a lot of activity from the promotions we have. A lot of our customers have saved a lot of money with us because of our May promotion we had for our existing clients, and there's been also some new customers that have called in and have used our services based on the promotion we have for new clients. So yeah, we're really happy to be there to be able to serve and help you guys. And again, just a reminder about our FlowTech anti-scale system. Okay, I've talked about this before. The FlowTech system is an anti-scale system. It is not a softener. Okay, now if you go online to look it up, I'm putting this out there right now because I had a customer I had a really tough time talking with today. If you go online to look up the FlowTech system, to research it, to see what's going on, you're not going to see a lot of reviews. And a lot of the blogs or conversation or reviews on it won't be good and won't be positive. And the reason for that is very simple. I've talked about this before, but I'm reiterating this because it's so important. Basically, the FlowTech system requires no maintenance, requires no monthly or annual fees, requires no chemicals, there's no wastewater, and it's cheaper to install than a water softener. And what's happening is, people don't like that. The water treatment industry do not like that because they make money on providing water softeners for homeowners and then getting a monthly service fee, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, it's totally fine. And we can also install a water softener for you. We just found that over the last few years, when we got introduced to this product, we found that we feel, and I personally feel, that it's a more efficient, more effective, lower cost, greener solution to a water softener. And we don't take all these minerals out of the water. Iron and calcium, for instance, are minerals that you want in the water. So unlike a water softener, we don't take those minerals out. But this system allows them to remain in suspension. So instead of the minerals wreaking havoc and getting stuck in your plumbing system and your dishwasher and shower heads and just destroying your water heater and all of that, they stay in suspension and it flows freely through your water. So again, you know, when we're trying to talk to you about the effectiveness of FlowTech, and as a homeowner, you want to do your due diligence and you want to go on look online and you want to feel good and feel certain about your purchase, the same way that you can't prove that an oil change is good for your vehicle, it's hard to prove what the FlowTech does for your water system, right? You could skip an oil change. You could probably skip 2 or 3 oil changes. But if you skip too many, you're going to find things are going to start breaking down. So, but if you do get regular oil changes, your vehicle runs well. And that's like a FlowTech, okay? So again, it's really important to understand, people spend thousands of dollars on home insurance. People spend thousands of dollars on life insurance because somebody might pass away early, or God forbid, might have a sickness, and God forbid, you know, leave a loved one behind. And we invest heavily into that. What we're talking about here is a FlowTech system, which you actively have an issue now. You have hard water. Your system is deteriorating. You have issues of scale and mineral deposits. Your faucets are getting stiff. Your water heater is having trouble struggling to produce hot water. Your humidifier is full of scale buildup. You have an active problem. So spend the money, put in the product to protect your system, and reap the benefits immediately from it. And that's the beauty of FlowTech. Anyhow, thank you for your time and patience. I love you guys. I appreciate you following me. It's important that you understand what's out there. Like I said, it was a tough day today, but I'm grateful for the things I do have, and I'm grateful for having this beautiful weather and going home with my beautiful wife and my 4 children. And God bless you guys. Have an awesome day.